When the seasons change, so do the needs of your indoor plants. Fall and winter bring shorter days and colder temperatures, and for your plants, that means it's time to rest. But what does that mean for you? It means you need to reduce your watering. In today's video, we'll explore why reducing watering during the fall and winter is crucial for keeping your plants healthy. Indoor plants need less water in the colder months because they grow slower and experience less evaporation. Let's dive into some key reasons why cutting back on watering is so important. Why reduce watering in fall and winter? Plants grow slower in the cold. In winter, most indoor plants enter a dormant stage to conserve energy. By reducing water, you're actually helping them store energy for a stronger start in the spring. Overwatering during this dormant period can do more harm than good, often leading to problems like root rot. Less evaporation. With less sunlight and shorter days, there's less evaporation. If you continue your summer watering routine, extra water will sit in the soil, inviting mold, mildew, and bacteria that can harm your plants. Avoid root rot. Too much water in winter leads to root rot, a serious issue that can weaken or even kill your plants. To prevent this, it's all about knowing how much water is just right. So how do you adjust your watering routine to keep your indoor plants healthy? Here are some simple winter watering tips. Check soil dampness. Check the soil dampness before watering. Use your finger to feel the soil about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it feels damp, wait a few more days. Adjust frequency of watering. Water less frequently. Depending on the type of plant, you may only need to water every 10 to 14 days or even less. Succulents and cacti, for example, need very little water, while tropical plants may need a bit more. Customize for each plant. Customize watering for each plant. Snake plants can go weeks without water, while orchids may need some every 2 weeks, even in winter. Know your plant's needs to avoid overwatering. Water in the morning. Water in the morning. It helps the soil dry out during the day, reducing the risk of root rot from excess moisture sitting overnight. Use a humidifier. Use a humidifier instead of extra watering. Indoor air is dry in winter, but increasing moisture in the air keeps your tropical plants happy without risking wet soil. Create a microclimate. Create a microclimate by grouping similar plants together. This raises the humidity naturally. Just make sure there's good airflow to prevent fungal issues. Remember, less is more when it comes to watering in fall and winter. By adjusting your routine, you're setting your plants up for a restful winter and a vibrant spring. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to keep your plants and your friends' plants happy and healthy all winter long.